Good morning, student. Welcome back in video session classes. Today, I discuss editing in Word 2010. Editing in MS Word 2010. This is the fourth chapter for class 4. Class 4, chapter number 4. This is the fourth chapter of my dear student. Previous video I already discussed what is MS Word, but today I discuss editing in MS Word 2010. First of all, I discuss what is the editing. What is the editing? I write down notes and one by one point I can try कि every student understand. First of all, what is editing? Editing means I write down. Editing means making changes. Editing means making changes or modification. Editing means making changes or modification, like inserting or deleting copying or moving text. Copying or moving text, correcting misspelled word. Misspelled word, etc. My dear student, I write down what is the editing. Editing means changes or the modification. Which type of changes? Suppose I write down, for example, Ram is a bad boy. You write down in MS Word Ram is a bad boy. But after some time, your mind is absorbed. This is not a bad. Ram is a good boy. Ram is a bad boy. You write down Ram is a bad boy. So you write down to the again every sentence. No any such type of write down. This bad only for change in the bad boy, not for the change in the all our sentence. So this bad boy change in the good boy, change in the good. This is the modification. This is the changes of the sentence. you delete suppose Ram is a good boy. You write down to the one page, and again you go to the another page. Again, this sentence is the repeat. So again write down. No, again write down. Just copy in this sentence and go to the another page, and you select to the all over the sentence and copy Control plus C, and then go to the another page, then Control plus V, yani paste. This is the editing. My again topic name. What is editing in MS Word? What is editing in MS Word 2010? Again the ask the question, what is editing in MS Word? First of all, I write down the track changes. The track changes. Tools allow you to work, you to mark up a document, as you insert, delete, replace and move text. What is the editing in MS Word? The track changes. You allow to suppose I understand in this particular sentence. Suppose I write down to the particular sentence. This is the example of the sentence. Computer is the most important subject computer. Suppose I write down this markup. This is the document, and the document I write down to the document. You insert, delete. Suppose your mind is computer is not the most important subject, but computer. Suppose you delete the particular sentence, the computer, and you change to the math. So just one time click in this mouse cursor, mouse pointer, and then select in particular sentence, and then press to the delete button. This is the best example. Replace and the move. Suppose I write down to the computer, but you write to the math. So just you click in this particular area, and then head to the backspace. Then all over data is the back and the replace to the math. Move text means the one text, the same text is replaced to the another page. The same text is replaced to the another page. Then all over sentence you select, and then just click to the right click button, and the option is the copy, and then go to the another page, then the move to the text. So what is editing in MS Word? So the track changes tools allow you to mark up a document as to insert first insert, second delete, third replace, and the fourth move text. Move text. In this activity, in this activity, in this activity, you will personalize you will personalize you copy of MS Word, you copy of MS Word, edit a document, edit a document, you copy of MS Word, edit a document by using track changes, by using track changes and insert command, and insert command. This is the editing in MS Word. My again the third topic, selecting the text. Selecting the text. Selecting the text. What is the selecting? I write down. Sorry. What is the selecting? Selecting means highlighting. Suppose this is the sentence and this particular sentence I selected. So just mouse pointer end of the sentence and just drag to the mouse. The all our sentence to the select. Select means the highlighting. So selecting is highlighting. Selecting is highlighting text. What is the selecting of text? The selecting is highlighting text or picking an object. Or picking an object. For example, you can select to text copy. You can select to text copy, cut or move. Cut or move that text to an alternate location, or select a file you want to view. Those students not understand. Selecting means the highlighting. Selecting are related to cut, copy, move the text and to the alternate location means suppose this sentence is present in the here and I and after some time I observe this sentence is not present, this is not the good area, so I select the text and they have to move to the any such type of location, alternate location means any such type of location या any such type of page. This is the selecting of the text. My dear student, this is the fundamental part in my second topic tomorrow. What is the basic method of the selecting the text? My second topic tomorrow, what is the basic method of selecting text? Method of selecting text. This is my today end of the topic. Thank you so much.